Hey, is Zoom freezing on your computer or laptop during meetings? Yeah, frozen screens, unresponsive controls, and interrupted calls can be super frustrating. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Zoom freezing issues in 2026. Let's get your meetings running smoothly again. First, close Zoom completely and restart your computer or laptop. Many freezing issues are temporary, and a simple restart can resolve them. Zoom freezing is often caused by a slow or unstable internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to wired Ethernet if possible, or move closer to your router. You can also run a speed test to check your connection. Close any programs running in the background that use system resources or bandwidth. Browsers, games, or streaming apps can make Zoom freeze. Make sure you're running the latest Zoom version. Open Zoom, click your profile picture arrow, check for updates. Updating often fixes freezing and crashing issues. Outdated graphics or network drivers can cause Zoom to freeze. On Windows, open Device Manager, arrow. Display adapters arrow, right-click GPU arrow update driver. Also check network adapters. Mac users should check for system updates. In Zoom, go to Settings arrow Video. Lower the resolution, disable HD video, and turn off virtual backgrounds. Heavy visual settings can cause freezing, especially on older laptops. Sometimes firewall or antivirus software can block Zoom or slow it down. Ensure Zoom is allowed through your firewall or temporarily disable antivirus to see if freezing stops. If freezing continues, uninstall and reinstall Zoom. A fresh installation often fixes corrupted files and resets settings to default. And that's it. One of these fixes should stop Zoom from freezing and give you a smooth, uninterrupted meeting experience. If this helped, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.